Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab A11 and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. Alright, so I'd like to show you four actually different ways of what to do if your app is crashing all the time. So let's pretend that I've got problems with maybe my camera. So all I highly recommend to do is to tap on it and hold it, and then tap on this info icon in the right upper corner. So the first thing which I highly recommend to do is to tap on force stop, because sometimes if the app is running in the background, even though it is not shown in the recents, it might interfere and crash. So first of all, force stop, hello, tap on OK. And the second thing which I highly recommend to do is to remove the storage, actually cache. As you can see, let me show it to you again. Right here we have to scroll down and find the option storage. It is in this usage section. So just tap on storage. We've got cache. Cache are basically junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, they might interfere sometimes. So I highly recommend to simply tap on clear cache. I do not recommend tapping on clear data, because unless you wish to have your camera brand new without any kind of information or options applied. All right, so we've got it force stopped, we've got the cache removed. You can, if you wish, you can try to restart your device, and after that open the camera and it should work fine. If not, what I highly recommend to do is to check for the updates, because sometimes older versions might cause some problems. So all you have to do is to enter the Play Store. Here you have to tap on the search icon here, tap on this bar and enter the name of the app which you'd like to download or actually update. So let me enter maybe Chrome or something like that. And as you can see here, we've got our result. After tapping on it, we will see more information on the right. And as you can see, in my case, I've got this update icon available. So simply tap on update. Your device will try to download the update and then apply it and write it over the old one. If that didn't work, then what I highly recommend to do is to actually uninstall the app from your device. You can do it manually from here, from the homepage, or you can do it using the Google Play Store. Right here you will have the option to uninstall. So simply uninstall and then install it again, and thanks to it your device will directly install the newest version, and sometimes it is better than overwriting it over the older one. So so this is one of the ways to actually try to force your app to work. And as a last resort, I highly recommend to check for the updates again, but this time the system. So let's go to the settings. Here in this left section we have to scroll down and find the option which is called software update, which is right here. Then tap on download and install, and now your device will check for the updates. And basically, if you can see the update pending, I highly recommend to simply tap on download or install and apply the update, because sometimes the apps won't work on the older versions because of the updates actually. So so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.